Division of a polynomial by a binomial. The first thing that we need to do here is to rewrite this expression. Then we need to find a term that when multiplied by 3x we get 6x cubic. In this case will be 2x squared. So 2 by 3 is 6. And x squared by x is x cubic. But we need to perform subtraction, then we need to change the sign of the result of the multiplication. In this case, the result is positive, then will be negative. 2 by 3, 6, and x squared by x cubic. The next, we'll multiply this term by minus 2 and write the result with the sign change below the term that corresponds or that has the same variable x squared, in this case, this term. 2x squared by minus 2 will be minus 4x squared. If we change sign, this will be plus 4x squared. And we perform the subtraction. We eliminate these two terms, and then we have minus 7 plus 4. This will be minus 3x squared. And we move down the remaining two terms. Minus x plus 2. Now we need to find a term here that when multiplied by 3x we get minus 3x squared. In this case will be minus x. So if we multiply minus plus by plus, this will be minus. Then we change the sign again. X by 3x, 3x squared. And the next will be minus x by 2 will result positive 2x. So we change sign minus 2x. And we perform the subtraction. We eliminate the first term and we result here minus x minus 2x minus 3x. And we move down again, in this case the plus 2. Now, an expression here, a term that when multiplied by 3x we get minus 3x. In this case will be minus 1. Minus 1 by 3x will be minus 3x. We change sign again, plus 3x. Minus 1 by minus 2 will result in plus 2. We change the sign. And we perform the subtraction. If you observe, we eliminate these two terms and also these two. Therefore, the result of the division will be this one. 2x squared minus x minus 1.